felt like.
Song of Your Life is for anyone who is really ready to heal, grow, change, be inspired, transform, and truly take their gifts and talents to the next level so that they can be all that they are meant to be in this life. Maybe you desire to use your gifts more, but you don't know where to start. Or maybe you do know where your heart is leading you, but you really need the powerful support to help you get there. This stunning natural retreat is designed to create and facilitate all the circumstances that you need for your own self-discovery, your own healing, and your own empowerment. Even though this retreat is meticulously designed to create and facilitate growth, expansion, and empowerment, we still need to make sure that it is held in a beautiful and inspiring location. That's why I chose Sea Eagle Point. It's on the mid-north coast of New South Wales, surrounded by Wallace Lake, and it has a stunning view of rainforests and wildlife. In this healthy and natural environment, every detail is taken care of. You will be provided with a special chef who designs and creates exquisite and delicious meals. Each participant receives a 1-hour massage with beautiful essential oils from a remedial massage therapist. This is because Song of Your Life retreat is a spirit, soul, and body rejuvenation.
Stronger, wiser, elevated, higher. Ain't it a crying shame that we hide behind a mask, afraid to be ourselves for fear that you.
On the last day of this great experience, we gather together, we have a magnificent 3-course meal, and we put on a concert. Each person will sing or speak from the heart, and the breakthroughs in confidence are unbelievable. We have an absolute ball.